So you're probably wondering why AMC continues to keep crashing and how low it'll actually go before a squeeze potentially happens. This stock has had lots of good news in the last couple days, but it's a little bit confusing as to why it keeps dropping. AMC had so much good news that analysts even started to increase the price target, but still, AMC continues to plummet. Stick around and watch the whole entire video because you will get a much clearer understanding of what's going on with AMC stock behind the scenes, so you can make a more informed decision of how to trade this stock. For the past 25 days, there has been a lot of selling pressure with AMC, which could be mainly attributed to the dark pool manipulation going on with AMC stock. I've made an entire video on this before, so you can watch that for more clarification, but a quick overview of what dark pool manipulation is it's a way that large hedge funds and institutions can buy or sell AMC without anyone else knowing about it. It keeps their trades hidden from the public. Large institutions have also been manipulating the stock through naked shorting. This basically means that they sell synthetic shares of AMC, which are shares that don't even actually exist. This practice has already been deemed illegal, but there's a high possibility that hedge funds are conducting this practice anyway, which really makes no sense to me. There are also a few other reasons why AMC continues to drop in price. So just a couple days ago, there was amazing news regarding AMC, and it was so good that analysts increased their price target. People have recently started to see potential in the AMC business and how the Godzilla vs. Kong movie is increasing foot traffic throughout all of the AMC locations. Additionally, most AMC theaters are now open, which allows for increased revenue and cash flow. People are seeing that AMC is a company which is able to shift, pivot, and recover through their new long-term business strategies, and this was really helpful for AMC stock. Well, that is until the sources began to manipulate this good news and dilute it with fear and doubt. Sources like The Motley Fool, InvestorPlace, and MarketWatch continue to increase shareholder doubt through various articles that they publish. The Motley Fool wrote an article titled, "Forget AMC Entertainment, here are 3 better recovery stocks." Articles being published like this increase fear in retail investors and lead to them paper handing AMC. Now here's the thing, we all know that every stock will have an overvalued price and an undervalued price. But right now, it does not seem like AMC's true value is at $9. AMC should definitely have a higher valuation than this in the future, especially considering their growth moving forward out of the pandemic. This company was trading at $20 a share at the end of 2019. AMC currently trades at $9.40 a share, and it would be no surprise if this company reaches a $20 per share price in the future. But this company has a lot to prove for that before it happens. If everything goes as planned, AMC will definitely have a higher valuation than it does right now. But shareholders are beginning to worry about potential problems that might hypothetically occur in the future. These shareholder fears continue to rise as the price continues to fall due to hedge fund manipulation. Hedge funds are trying to force this company into bankruptcy for their own capital gain, which ends up reflecting the share price of the AMC stock. Each time the share price goes lower, many retail investors' stop losses get hit, which forces them to sell. Or they just sell out of their stock from fear of it going to zero, which in turn leads to the share price falling even more, and this becomes an endless cycle. Also, news is trying to manipulate retail investors into selling. All the news about how AMC is not a sustainable business model is just trying to increase fear behind the stock. Clearly, the CEO still believes in his vision, which is what matters the most. Adam Aron was quoted saying, "We are going to make sure AMC Entertainment is around and is a very successful company for the next 100 years. AMC has much more potential than these hedge funds are giving it, because hedge funds are just focused on making profit. In order to have one final push in AMC stock, retail investors have to band together once again to violently buy up shares and force the hedge funds to close their short positions. More retail investors need to stop believing the manipulative news on AMC, and they need to gain confidence in the stock once again." That's it for this video. Subscribe for more stock news and my stock picks. Let me know what stock you want me to cover next. Peace.